As you know, today is the first day of TCT Asia in Shanghai, and we are located in Shanghai now, and we just back from the TCT Asia. And as you guys know that we released our 2 brand new flagship products in Shanghai today, and I also have the pleasure to invite our co-founder of Anycubic, Dr. James Ouyang, to together with us as a host to give you guys about tonight's live broadcast of Anycubic Global Opening. I'm your host, Dawson. And Anycubic, as a visionary in consuming 3D printing industry, as known for its innovative contribution to technology and design. And we will be here with you guys to go through all these exciting moments tonight. And we are really privileged to gather here to witness the unveiling of 2 flagship new products. Technology and innovation will cease to be mere concepts and become a tangible reality. Besides my introduction about what we are going to talk today, we also invite 3 key distinguished speakers for today's live stream. Let me introduce them. Todd Schulman, the creative director at Pantone, an expert in color science with a keen eye for shaping the palette of creative worldwide. Todd will bring Pantone's color insight and share their idea in 3D printing industry. The second one, Joe Telling. As you guys know, he's really famous in our industry. Owner of 3D Printing Nerd and a professional 3D printing maker, recognized for his in-depth knowledge and hands-on approach to advancing 3D printing techniques. Jill will have some ideas and perspectives in users' perspectives. Okay, third one, Bo Chang Lee, director of Rheinland, a leader in quality assurance and safety standards, guiding the industry with its expertise in compliance and innovation. They also join our Photon Model M7 Pro quality assurance and safety standards as a professional project. Hello, 3 guys. And during our tonight's live broadcast, we will proceed with the following segments. We will be introducing 2 significant new products, and we also will introduce our new cyber community, Maker Online. During this event, we will arrange a live stream lucky draw for you guys to make this event more funny. The prize will include a Pantone 4-color gift box set, which will be awarded to 3 lucky individuals. Are you feeling excited? James?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Additionally, we have set up a Q&A segment to interact with anyone who online that you may have some questions
regarding our new products and you want to interact with James. Just feel free to ask. For our new products, we will disclose the much anticipated price and where you can purchase our new products. And at the end of live stream, we also prepare a mystery stinger for you. Okay, now let's just start it. So the first new product that I want to coming out is that you can see that 2 products is running now. Okay, let me just give you a guessing or idea. Can these 2 models be finished after we finish our live stream? So you can guess it. Okay, now you can see there's one printer beside James, which is the brand new Anycubic Kobra 3 combo. And James, I want to ask you, could you share some anticipated information regarding our Anycubic Kobra 3 combo?
Yeah, of course, sure. Before we start, actually, I'd like to express the thanks to our 3 distinguished guests, joining us tonight. Yeah, thank you very much. And actually, today we are not going to do a open box video. We're just kind of demonstrating how the printer working. So let's start with the Kobra 3 combo. This is a multicolor FDM printer, and the combo contains actually 2 parts: the Kobra 3 itself and the Anycubic Color Engine Pro, which we call it S Pro. With S Pro, we can achieve 4-color printing. The Kobra 3 combo can support up to 2S Pro units, which means it can enable 8 color printing. That can meet most of the needs for consumer-grade color 3D printing. Actually, with the launch of the Kobra 3 color printing combo, we are delighted to announce that our collaboration with the Pantone Color Institute to develop the first ever certified 3D printing color. Those four colors actually are carrying their own meaning. I think Todd will express more later. Also for the S Pro, the color printing units, it supports RFID recognition of filaments, which can automatically identify the anycubic filaments, colors and parameters that can achieve more efficient and precise multicolor printing. Besides that, actually the S Pro comes equipped with active drying functionality, making it the only product on the market to combine active drying with multicolor printing. So by building up upon active drying, it also supports a side drying functionality, which means you can print while it dries. So with up to 24 hours drying, that can ensure optimal drying conditions for long-time prints. So besides the drying functionality, actually there are more functions about the S Pro. The S Pro also has active filament retraction function. That means it can minimize the filament tangling. And also the core reason for tangling, actually based on our research, is because of when changing colors or filaments, the filaments needs to rewind to the original filament spool, and that then feed the new filaments through the tube in. So in the S Pro, we kind of adopt a parallel connector of 4 feed tubes to connect the multicolor box and the print extruder. By doing that, we can minimize the length which should be rewinded. By doing that, so we can reduce the risk of tangling, significantly reduce the risks. So the S Pro also has the active filament retraction, which actively rewinds the filament during color changes. Regarding the Kobra 3 itself, the printing speed of the Kobra 3 can reach up to 600 millimeters per second, and the maximum acceleration is up to 20,000 millimeters per square seconds. So that is the that is the basics for the Kobra 3, and also we have optimized the operational system for Kobra 3, and to be honest, we call it the operational system Kobra OS, and we have a plan to open source the Kobra OS in the future. That is for sure. Besides that, and the printing volume for the Kobra 3 is 250 by 250 and by 260 height, and with a volume around 16 liters. So that is the basic information for the Kobra 3. And besides that, the Kobra 3 also has the flow control and vibration compensation as well, which can ensure the printing quality. At the same time, we can get a very superior printing results from the Kobra 3. So that's it. I mean, for the Kobra 3 and the S Pro. I mean, so I'll leave the time to Dawson again.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, James' demonstration regarding Kobra 3 combo. And I think you guys may have a crystal clear understanding about the Kobra 3 combos are and what kind of features that it can benefit your use. So, well, I think in my perspective, and I think in our users' perspective, there's one key things in Kobra 3 combos that I want to ask about James and Toad. You know, like because we invite Pantone's creative director, and Toad is located in New Jersey, and so we are really happy to have you here and with our James. So, well, I think the question is that could you two share about the story about the collaboration between Pantone and Anycubic? I think there must be like stories behind this collaboration, right? Mm-hmm. And by the way, Toad, I want to ask you. Let's start from you. And why you choose to collaborate with Anycubic?
Well, for us, you know, we've worked with technology-based companies on lots of different things. This was the first time we ever worked with a 3D printing company. I just want to say one thing. You know, my background is in the fashion industry. I work with color every single day of my life. But until I actually worked for Pantone, I began to think about color in such a different way. It's all about providing that sort of psychological messaging and the way that we feel about color. There's a very humanistic way in which we want to look at color. So working with someone like you guys was very interesting to me because the roots of the company in 1964, when the color language was created, was for printing, but it was for printing on paper. And so to watch 60 years later, the way the same color system can be adapted through technology to utilize it in a 3D printing format, for me, was incredibly exciting and very interesting.
Cool. Well, what about James? What is the reason on Anycubic side to collaborate with Pantone?
I would say our reason is very simple because Pantone is based in colors, and
Anycubic was true amazing filaments with beautiful colors. We must collaborate with Pantone. So that's the very simple reason behind. And now we have received lots of positive feedbacks on those 4 colors we've worked with Pantone. And actually, we are looking forward more collaborations with Pantone in the future.
Cool. Okay, thanks, James. Also, Todd.
I have one question I want to ask you.
Perhaps that I see many comments in our social media, our Facebook group, and all this group. Is that why were there's 4 colors chosen, and what is the story behind this selection? And there's one question that I want to ask is that I think you guys just define a color which name is interstellar in 3D printing industry. What is your, what kind of 3D printing usage do you see inspire this kind of imagination that you guys have the idea and the insight to define this color for 3D printing industry?
You know, it's interesting because when I was thinking about when we were working on the colors with you guys, you know, the umbrella thought process for me was to really consider the word connection. And the reason why I wanted to utilize that, because I wanted colors that actually connected with people. Because we have to remember something. The people that are actually going to be utilizing these colors are these creative people that are looking to create an object of joy, an object of pleasure, an object of something that they want to look at, you know? And so we wanted to sort of kind of round out your current palette and start looking at some of the trends that are going on in the global space and really come up with 4 colors that we thought kind of spoke to how we can round out, you know, the current color assortment. And hopefully every year we'll keep adding to that. But the interstellar violet was very inspirational to me because I thought of it as being a very sort of dramatically provocative color. It was kind of unconventional. And we really felt that it communicated very much originality and ingenuity. I also love the idea of, because of our fascination with space, the outer galaxies. Everybody's trying to get to a new place in the world right now. And we really felt that that type of color sort of spoke to the cosmos, sort of spoke to reaching out beyond what we feel is very tangible and really move it forward and just really push the boundaries through a creative outlet. So it was really marrying technology, 3D printing, and then this whole idea of what you want to create for your home. What do you want to create for yourself as a hobbyist? And that was really where we saw Interstellar becoming important.
Thank you. Also, Joe,
you are a professional 3D printing maker, and you are quite expertise in especially in FDM printing area. So my question for you is that what is your favorite color?
My favorite color?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Hopefully you can hear me correctly because I'm going to tell you it's my blue. Like if you know anything about me, I love the color blue, and so I'm going to go with blue.
Cool. And so as we all know, your identify is that as a professional 3D printing maker, what do you think
the multicolor of Kobra 3 combo could benefit our users?
I love the idea of being able to utilize more colors within FFF style 3D printing because it allows more people to kind of express what's in their imagination. Being able to print a single color model has always been something that people could sand and prime and paint. But given that FFF style 3D printers like the Kobra 3 can now give people the opportunity to print a model with more colors, then they don't necessarily have to have the skills of sanding, priming, and painting in order to create something that better represents what's in their imagination.
Cool. Yeah. So, Joe, do you agree about Joe's idea?
Yes.
Regarding music? Okay.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Cool. Cool. Okay. So let's move to next part. And so, as I mentioned in the beginning of our live stream, we will have a lottery drawing segment. Now we enter the throwing lottery draw segment as round 1 because I don't know how many rounds that we are going to have. And it's all based on maybe I will have a freestyle with a James later, to give you guys surprise, you know. Now, anyone that is on site with us following our live stream, whether in YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Chinese national users following on different live stream platform, that you have to type 4 words, and I will give you 10 seconds to type it, so that maybe you will have. And we will pick up 3 winners to get the Pantone 4 color box set. Okay, so the 4 words, please remember and please type in now. Be bold, be colorful, which is the slogan of Kobra 3 combo. Yeah, I will give you let's say 8 seconds to type it in and join our lottery drawing. And we were doing, and our colleagues were doing the screenshot to see who win the prize. We only pick 3 users. Yeah. Okay. Are you guys ready? I'm going to make the count. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I will make the screenshot.
Oh, okay. Can we do more than 3?
Yeah.
Maybe later. Okay.
Yeah. We will do more than 3. James just want to give you guys a surprise. Yeah, we just got our 3 winners. The first one is Jennifer Lud. Jennifer Lud, can you hear me? Yeah. And the second one is Mark Bernard Sculber.
Yeah, I'm bad at names. Yeah.
Okay. And the third one is Thorulf Mai. And our colleague will connect with you later after the live stream. Okay, congrats for these 3 winners.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah, and also for these 3 winners, please follow. We will have a topic in Maker Online form later to announce your name and join our topic, and we will connect with you and deliver the prize to you. No worry for that. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. After we finish talking about like the demonstration by James regarding Cobra 3 combo, I think you guys may interesting about this product, which is beside me.
Yeah.
The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro. As we know, Photon Mono M7 Pro do have some really good innovation and technology
in our LCD series. And this one I think is the brand new flagship of Anycubic
LCD series, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, James, could you please share the anticipating information regarding it?
Yeah, of course, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I think we just started the prints right before the maybe half an hour before the live stream.
Yeah.
And now I can see the prints almost finished. Yeah. Actually, to be honest, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro, one of the biggest function is the speed. Normally, I mean, in previous model, if we wish to finish a print, I mean, like this high, probably we need maybe 4 hours.
Yeah.
But for this one, I guess we use maybe just nearly 1 hour and a half. Yeah. That's so. So we are looking at the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro. This printer is got a very high printing speed, up to 130 millimeter per hour, even using the standard resin. So no like high-speed resin needed. I mean, to achieve high speed. So that is one of the most significant function for this printer. But at the same time, we can do high-speed printing, but a super high printing accuracy, thanks to a lot of light optimization, and also the we have optimized the algorithm as well in the software. So lot of things have been done to this printer.
Also, besides the speed, the accuracy, at the same time, the M7 Pro equipped with the temperature-controlled resin tank, and also automatic resin feeding and retraction function, and lots of other smart features to make the printing process a lot more easier and smooth than before. Specifically, speaking of speed, here is how Photon Mono 7 Pro do the test of speed. We using the testing condition of 0.1 millimeter per layer thickness, and we using the standard resin instead of high-speed resin. So yeah, by doing this, we can achieve a really high speed. I mean, for most of the user scenarios. And to be very specific, for the standard resin, for one single layer printing, we only need 2.7 seconds to cure. So yeah, which is, I mean, in our opinion, is unbelievable. I mean, compared to our previous models. Yeah, I think printing is being finished.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see it's been finished.
Yeah, it's finished.
Yeah, within 1.5 hours. And so along with the new printer, we also comes up with new materials like the high-speed resin 0.0. Why we are doing this resin is because some of the users, they still wants to achieve even higher speed than 130 millimeters per hour. Yeah, because for some users, they wish to kind of
high precision and high speed.
Yeah, like really high speed. Yeah. So within the high speed 0.0 resin, we can achieve 170 millimeters per hour. I mean the speed, and the model exhibit enhanced toughness and reducing the distance of cracking and damage. So yeah, that is one of the new reason we come up with the M7 Pro.
Yeah.
And the other reason, the other one is the temperature resistant. We call it rigid 100 resin. So this resin, why we are coming up with this resin is because the M7 Pro equipped with the temperature controlled tank, which can heat up the resin.
Yeah.
I mean, to lower the viscosity. I mean, the high viscosity for resin means high functionality. I mean, high physical properties. So we, with the M7 Pro, now we come up with the rigid 100 resin, and this models printed with this resin can withstand temperature of up to 100 Celsius, and making them ideal for outdoor equipments and consumer electronics and high temperature applications. Actually, the strength of the rigid 100 can go up to 90 megapascal, and double that of standard rigid resin. And the printed model can handle pressure and loads without bending. So paired with the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro, the resin viscosity is, I mean, can be controlled ideally. And the last resin we wish to introduce to you guys is the biocompatible resin. Like Dawson said before, maybe Joe is expert in FDM printing, but comes to the resin printing, actually the smell, and sometimes the people are, I mean, feel very uncomfortable about the safety. So this time we come up with a bio resin. For this reason, the smell is, I mean, super low and is environment friendly. And this resin actually utilized biologically friendly components and has obtained, I mean, like certifications from authentic institute. So makes it suitable to print like objects, I mean, for toys and that alike. So that is basically the properties for the M7 Pro. I mean, high speed, like super high printing details, and also we come up with 3 new resins and for the M7 Pro. So that's it for the introduction.
Okay, thank you, James.
Dawson.
After James' demonstration regarding Anycubic Photon Model M7 Pro, I think you guys can feel that we not only have innovation in the resin printers, we also have much more innovations in our resins too. Okay, and regarding speeding, when James talking about speeding, we also have this time we have a collaboration with Rheinland that Ouyang is in here, and his team is joining our Photon Mono M7 Pro to try the test speeding and regarding the speed performance of the Photon Mono M7 Pro. Okay, Ouyang, I have a question for you. How do you feel? Can you share your feeling when you're doing the test, when you're precising the speed performance of the Photon Mono M7 Pro?
Yeah, you asked me about my feeling.
Yeah, how do you feel about the speed performance?
It's like a Fast and Furious.
Yeah, Fast and Furious.
We are Rheinland. Yeah, actually we are world leading third-party notified body.
Yeah.
Means we provide testing, certificating, inspection, consulting, and training
Cool.
services to our clients with our independence and professionalism. So we actually we established from 1872.
Oh,
We already have 152 years old. Yeah, we are quite an old company, but cooperating with Anycubic, such a young and passionate company, makes us feel really forever young. Yeah, I think this is really a fascinating and amazing product for this Phantom Model M7 Pro. Yeah, because when Anycubic, when you come to us and say, hey, how about I know Rheinland, you are making standards and you always want to standardization and some industrial products. So how about just test our products and make some standards for this 3D printer for this instruction? So this idea, I think this idea was great. any this time mainly the speed of the printer. So we print with like James said, we print with 2 resin this time for our in our lab, the standard and also high speed. And we know normally like we have to spend hours to make a 3D printing, but this machine is really fast. I have a data here. We printed many times with many products and we have recorded is the fastest time is 1 hour and 26 minutes to print 2,300 layers. This is with high speed resin, which means that the speed is over 160 millimeters per hour. And that is very fast. It's like a Fast and Furious in the track comparing to that. And most important, the thickness of the layer is constant, because sometimes when we're talking about the speed, maybe we just eliminate other constants, but the thickness of the layer is also important, which makes the result of the printing have such accuracy and precision. And the thickness of this layer keeps on 0.1 millimeters per layer. This is very good result. And we keep that speed with that thickness for over hours testing. And we think this machine, this model M7 Pro is really a fast machine with quite high precision. This is the test result in our lab.
Thank you, Bochang. I heard many insights from you, and I think
it's fantastic that you guys give the standard for our really real experience regarding the testing and the quality assurance based on your side. And Joe, hi Joe, can you hear me?
There we go. I was
Yeah.
just muted. Yeah, I can hear you great.
Yeah, as we all know that you are more familiar with FDM printers. So what is your perspective on resin printers after you heard about Photon Mono M7 Pro?
So resin printing is like magic. It's like messy magic to me, because you have to deal with the resin and gloves and isopropyl alcohol and crazy smells. And so I don't do it as much, but it's really great when I need to print something that's extremely high in detail, because FFF style 3D printers, they can print really large, really fast, in some detail. But if I want that really, really precise detail, of course, that's when I'm going to go with a resin 3D printer. And so I have a lot more FFF style 3D printers, a lot more, but I do keep a few resin 3D printers around just in case I need to do something with that extra detail.
Thank you. And I'm curious about, like, have you ever used FDM printers and LCD printers to print one creativities?
Yes. So I've done some projects in the past where I've identified parts of a print that can be made with an FFF style 3D printer and quickly and efficiently. And then the parts that had to be ultra detailed, I could cut those out and then print those parts on a resin 3D printer. And so I get the best of both worlds in that way. I'm able to print most of the model that isn't as highly detailed really, really fast out of materials that are rigid and strong. And then for the ultra precise detail, I can take those pieces, print them in resin, and then glue them on, and then have a completed piece.
Oh, thank you. Quite impressive. Perhaps you can try these two new printers to print one creativities. We are looking forward to it. Yeah.
That could be fun.
Yeah. And Joe, as you know, we may switch to another topic. It's our cyber community, Maker Online. As you know, we launched Maker Online like 1 month or 2 months ago. And this community, our Maker Online, is a cyber community that allows our users to share, create, communicate. And how do you think?
I haven't had the chance to utilize Maker Online as much as I wanted to, but from the early look that I had, it looks like it has the ability to be a really vibrant place for people to share and exchange ideas and models, and I'm looking forward to it growing.
Oh, thank you. And James.
Yep.
in your perspective, like, how can Maker Online benefit our users?
Yeah, to be honest, we originally we wish to we've tried before, but this time we wish to build a platform for our printer users and makers. I mean, around the community to share 3D models and new ideas. Making 3D printing like more fun and easier.
Yeah.
To be honest, Make Online now is being online for almost 40 days.
40 days, yeah.
Yeah, and I think thousands of model makers and enthusiasts are on the Maker Online. I mean, on our website, and we see hundreds of new models have been uploaded per day. And we have organized 10 model contests as well, and we have received lots of positive feedbacks from our users. Of course, and we also received lots of advice how we can do better. I guess, for anyone who is interested, please join us on Make Online for more, I would say, possibilities.
Yeah, sure. And I think Maker Online not only give our users a space or a community for them to share their models, but also has a place or a space for them to share their ideas and communicate and finding their common interest, I think, in this perspective.
Yeah.
Okay. We have finished James has already finished the demonstration regarding these two products. And I think everyone online now is very eager to know one thing. Guess what? What's the price of Kobra 3 Combo and the Photon Mono M7 Pro? I will give leave to James to announce the price. Are you guys ready?
Actually, the price is the most interesting part. I mean, for a live stream, and for the now is the price for Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo, and if we go to anycubic.com, I mean from 7th of May to 20th of June, the price for the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo will be $449 US, and also we will with that price we will give a complimentary package which valued $189. Yeah. So after that, the price will go back to our average normal price. So
that's
yeah,
quite impressive.
Yeah. So that is the price for the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. For the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro, after 9th of May, the pre-sale price will be $499 US. Yeah, for the M7 Pro.
Quite impressive too, I think.
Yeah. So the one who paid the early bird deposit shall finish purchase by the 9th of May and will receive a value of package of $269. So after that, the price will go back to the normal price as well.
Good. Very, very impressive. I think you guys may feel very excited, but I know like we are in online now, but I can feel excitement regarding the price. Well, so we have already finished the introduction with our two products. But guess what? Before we start this live stream, and James just told me that we will give our users who online along with us, give our fans, our Anycubic fans, and our users a stinger. So the stinger today, I think Anycubic really do put a lot of thought into it because I think that is a huge amount of money. And James will give the huge surprise to you. Do you want to have a guess what is the stinger is? James?
Yeah, because previously we have a activity, I mean online, to guess the price for the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo.
Yeah.
And we have received lots of participation I mean, users enter this activity, and I think over 1,000 users have
guess the right price.
guess the right price. So our decision is we're gonna send out like 1,000 pieces of Pantone filaments to all the winners this time.
Yeah,
so
for 1,000 lucky winners.
Yeah, so now we have 1,000 lucky winners, and we're gonna send out all the filaments to them.
Oh,
The Pantone certified filaments.
but it's what about the color?
Yeah, I think it's. I mean, we got 4 Pantone colors, so I guess it's gonna one of the 4 colors.
Oh.
Yeah, random colors.
So that is the stinger for today for the round 2. So let's congrats for all winners.
Yeah, congratulations.
And please follow our Make Online form because we are going to have the topic today later, and you guys can follow your list, better your name on the list. Okay.
Okay. So now let's check with move to the what kind of questions that our users have.
And I think our users could you guys be keeping talking with us and interact with us via different platform.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check the platform. Okay. Oh, I see this one name in. I didn't know how to read your name. Sorry. When could I receive Kobra 3 combo? James?
Yep. Okay. Now actually the Kobra 3 combo is will be mass produced very soon. Actually, and we have already sent out lots of testing printers as well for the customers. I mean, to receive the mass produced Kobra 3 combo. I think it's going to be in late June or early July.
It's going to be pretty soon.
Yeah, very soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, very soon. Because we're gonna produce in China and then we go to the
Ship to
ship to overseas warehouse. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
Okay.
soon.
And the second question is that this one is quite good. Well, will Kobra 3 combo be open source?
Yeah, we do have the plan to open source the Kobra 3 combos firmware. That we will have the plan. And I think it will be open sourced soon. Yeah, after the customers they received the Kobra 3 combo.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So, okay, we may have one more questions for M7 Pro, the Photon Mono M7 Pro.
Okay.
Well, okay, this one. For resin printers, speed and precision never end. And what Anycubic will further improve in resin printing?
Yeah, we all know that resin printing can deliver high printing details, but the annoying thing about resin printing is the smell and, like I said before, I mean the safety. We will keep doing something on that topic. I mean to make the whole experience more user friendly. I mean in terms of smell and safety. So that is why we are doing more things on resins. Yeah, on resins and also the printer itself. We're gonna improve the our next model probably next year. We're gonna show to the audience. I mean, a totally new printers in the future.
Oh, thank you. Okay, one more last questions. Other than Maker Online and applications, what is the next step of Anycubic?
I think we that is a very big question.
Huge plan.
We have a lot of thoughts. But we have to do things step by step. I would say. We will keep refine our current products. I mean the Kobra 3, the Kobra series, and also the Photon Mono series. And also we're gonna put more resources to build the Maker Online community. I mean we're gonna see lots of new models uploaded and more users to join us on Maker Online. But I mean for the future we will do things step by step.
Cool. Okay, thanks, James. Now we move to the social media event and prize drawing segment. And I think in April, we set up 2 events, and the first event is guess the Anycubic Kobra 3 combo pre-order prize. And in this event, we will give the prize of 1-2 kilograms of Anycubic PLA or resin. So my colleague, we are going to roll the dice, and I'm going to start it. Okay, is it okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, congrats the winner. I think my colleagues have already seen the winner, right?
Yeah, we cannot see the screen.
Okay.
So that's gonna
Good.
be tough
Okay.
for us.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
it's okay, yeah.
The event 2 is multicolor model upload, and the prize will be the Anycubic Kobra 3 combo, and the winners will have 3 lucky participants win this prize. And I'm going to start this roll the dice, and my colleague will help me to do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. We're gonna have 3 lucky winners.
Yeah.
Okay, congrats the winners, and we will release later. And we are really very excited to have this. Away our Kobra 3 combo, and we're gonna have 30 rounds, and in each round we will pick 1 lucky winner. So let my colleagues to help me to doing this, and you guys will know who will be the lucky winner tonight or today in America.
Okay.
Okay. So just as I said before, please follow our Maker Online, and you guys will know. Wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
So we're gonna do the 30 rounds at once.
We make it a shift really quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we have 30 winners for for free Anycubic Kobra 3 combo.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, we have 30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should let the guest do the draw. I don't know.
Hello? Can you guys hear me?
Maybe they can do some rounds of the draw.
You want to give another?
Yeah, if they're okay.
But the platform is in our colleagues'
Okay.
computer.
Okay, no problem.
And do you guys have any questions that you want to discuss with James? Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
No questions for me. This has been great so far.
Yeah. How do you feel about these 2 products?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I've got the, what the heck? Look at that. I've got
Oh!
a Kobra 3
Good. Good.
combo right here.
Wow,
And the
yes,
ace
that's
full
amazing.
of- Let's see if I can open this up.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah.
There we go. Look at that.
Okay.
There's some filament in
Okay.
it. And
Wait.
so,
Sorry, guys. I'm going to restart. I'm going to start the next round of the lucky draw.
Wow, that's a lot
Yeah.
of rounds for.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll talk
a
later.
lot of draws.
Yeah, a lot of draws. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Is it running, Joe?
No, it's not running right now.
Oh, okay.
The microphone was really close to the fan, and I didn't want to interrupt this.
I see. Okay. So we may just to. I think our colleagues have already done our lucky draw today, and just like I said before, our lucky winners, you can follow our Maker Online form to know whether your name on it or not. But I do wish you have a pretty much a takeaway from our today's live stream, and I'm really happy to hear with you guys, and I think James have the same feeling with you.
Yes, and also with our distinguished guest.
Yeah, distinguished speaker with us to share with our new products, the Photon model M7 Pro and Kobra 3 combo. And so thanks for you guys joining, and I wish you guys have a good day.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.